I'm here to walk you through some of the changes from phase 1 on the new Mayors data dashboard. What you'll notice here, if you look at the URL, we are at localhost, which means it's just hosted here on my computer. I pulled all of the data down from the Mayors data dashboard in production so that I could recreate everything here. I've essentially migrated that data over to a new format, and if you look at the PowerPoint I shared with you earlier, you can sort of see all the steps that are required to make the new sort of data model changes that were required for this new thing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. So we'll go over into the admin section, and what you'll notice is well run, safe, prosperous, livable. That basically matches what's going on up top. If I want to reorder, say maybe prosperous should be first, I can just click and drag that up, and then let's move Veterans Affairs down here. Now if I go to live site, Prosperous has got 1, Veterans Affairs. So there's this new, much more intuitive way of organizing the bar. If you want to add a new category, you just click New Category. I can call it My Category. I want to create a page, and this is the best page. Now if I go to the live site, My Category, best page, empty, because we just created it. Great, so let's go over here. We can delete the page. Yeah, I'm sure. And the category. So long. Great. Now, let's have a look here. Maybe I want to look more closely at economic development. So if I go to economic development, graph, external graph, maybe we can get one that's a little more exciting. How about Veterans Affairs? No, that's kind of boring too. Oh well. Economic opportunity. Oh, this is great. Okay, so we got 2 external graphs up here, sort of how the page starts off. Let's say we actually want the page to start off with 3 cards. I can just sort of drag these 3 up to the top. So now we got 3 cards and 2 external graphs. Economic opportunity. We got 3 cards, the external graphs, 3 more cards, an internal graph. So we can do all of that, which is nice. And then let's say on economic opportunity, I also want to add something about homes. So you can see we got cards, we got graphs. I want to do an embed. I think checkbook total. Beautiful. So we've got an external graph right there. I wonder what that is. Let's see. Checkbook total. 800. It's nice. Full width. Okay, I like this. So now if we go to the live site and we check out economic opportunity, starts off with checkbook total, our 3 graphs, these. So, you know, this thing is fully manageable in that way from the admin panel. Let's get rid of that because it shouldn't be there. And then, let's see, what else? This is full text searchable. You can basically search by title right now for anything in the database. No tags or anything like that yet. That's coming soon. We got the landing page right here, which basically lets you, behaves exactly the same as the other pages. You can control the content on the landing page. And the only thing left really is content. Content now has all of the content, be it cards. I can sort by type, so here's the cards, here's the graphs and external graphs, and I can search by any column. So I can see all the external graphs, I can see all the graphs, oops, I can learn how to spell, or I can even just, you know, search by title. Other things that'll be here soon in the future phases will be, you know, number of dashboards it's on and the name of the person responsible. If I want to create a card, I can just say new card, create that. Boom, it's green. Let's see, values 1, 2, 3. I think you need a goal also. I think that's enough. Good. Okay, so now I have new card, which we just made right there. And there it is as we entered it. So let's go back to content and search for new card. We don't actually need that. Let's get rid of it. And there you have it. That's basically all of the changes. You can also do that with an embed. Behaves the exact same way. Manage admins. Nothing's changed here, though it will change in the future when we add the different type of user account. And so now you can create a piece of content once, include it on as many different pages as you want, duplicate it through and through, and that is most of phase 1.